Hello, xin chào mọi người. Thì hôm nay mình sẽ tiếp tục cái series. Mình sẽ làm một cái video mới về để nghe những câu tiếng Anh cơ bản nha. Hy vọng các bạn sẽ thích nó. I hope you like it. Okay, let's begin. The fire went out. I'm a stranger here. I'm a stranger here. Is there a vacant seat? Is there a vacant seat? I'm sorry, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. It's fun to be around. It's fun to be around. I'm so glad you came. I'm so glad you came. I apply mascara regularly. I apply mascara regularly. The fire went out. The fire went out. Better late than never. Better late than never. I will treat you. I will treat you. That project was aborted. That project was aborted. The line is busy. The line is busy. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? You should work hard. You should work hard. Nobody can stop it. Nobody can stop it. She can't stop it. He can't stop it. She couldn't stop it. He couldn't stop it. That's all. I hope you will like it. I hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching and listening carefully. Bye bye.